It's pumpkin season, and you know what that means? Time for some pumpkin recipes. And I've got a good one for you today, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle, and welcome to my kitchen, where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. Are you a sweets or savory breakfast type of person? Me, I'm all about the sweets. Give me the pancakes, the French toast, the waffles. Speaking of waffles, today we'll be making pumpkin mochi waffles. That's right, pumpkin flavored mochi waffles. So good and perfect for the upcoming fall season. Shoot, it's great anytime. And if you want to check out some of my other mochi waffle recipes, I've got the original, ube, and red velvet, and I'll list those in the description box below. And you can check those out after you watch this video. So Helemai, come along and let's get started. First, let's talk about ingredients. You'll need milk. Now, you can use any type of milk you want. If you want a richer flavor, use whole milk. If you want it on the lighter side, use fat-free. You can also use dairy-free milk here. Then you'll need some pumpkin puree. Make sure you buy the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling. You'll need an egg, some vanilla extract, and I've got a recipe for homemade vanilla extract, and you can check it out in the link up here. You'll need some pumpkin pie spice. Now, pumpkin pie is not a spice. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. And you'll need some mochiko flour. Mochiko flour is sweet rice flour. This can be found in the Asian aisle in most grocery stores. And did I mention this recipe is gluten-free? That's right, mochiko flour is gluten-free. So it's a great alternative if you can't tolerate or you're allergic to gluten. If you're going for the mochi waffle with the chewy center, then mochiko flour or sweet rice flour is the way to go. Unfortunately, you can't swap this out with all-purpose flour and get that same consistency. Then you'll need some baking powder to help with the leavening and a little bit of salt. So let's get cooking. First, we'll start with wet ingredients. To a bowl, add milk, pumpkin puree, an egg, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix that up until everything is well combined. And set this aside. And now the dry ingredients. To another bowl, add mochiko flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, pumpkin pie spice, and some salt. Whisk that until everything is well combined. Then you're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk that up until everything is well combined. Next, preheat your waffle iron and spray non-stick cooking spray. This is a mini waffle maker, and I'll link that in the description box below. And put about 1.5 scoops of a small ice cream scoop in, and you'll cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until brown to your liking. Remove, and you can set this aside. Then continue with the rest of the batter. Be sure to spray in between each cooking or each waffle so that it doesn't stick and it comes out easy when you're done. Stack it up, add some powdered sugar, butter, top it with your favorite syrup, maple syrup or regular syrup, and enjoy! And that's how you make pumpkin mochi waffles. If you like this recipe, I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up. Let me know what other type of recipes you'd like to see. If you want to see all things mochi, then check out this playlist here. Or if you want to see other island favorites, check out this playlist here. And until next time, hui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.